Hello everyone, we will talk about Johnson Control VFD alarm. One error code ER.1. When we attempt to make parameter setting, when P77 is disabled to set disable parameter right. So it's happened when we do the disable parameter writing parameters. In that case, it's of course frequency jump parameter setting range overload overlapping. Okay, PU and VFD cannot make normal communication. So to resolve this, you need to check P77 parameter and then check the setting of P31 and P36 and check the connections. PU means display and between the VFD and if it is properly. So normally it's occurs when these situations happens. Normally when we disable the parameter writing parameter, only that time it happens. So it is kind of protection. When protections work, then only it's occurs.